a little about Saint-Germain-au-Mont-d'Or with a new location for the French meeting problem and for pièce composition each year. For a long time it was in Messigny, and then Messigny was not available any longer, and we find this new location near Lyon for people who know it. You have some map or something to project?
We can project
from Google Maps.
Môžete to tam pustiť zatiaľ, kým ja tu budem
If
rozprávať.
somebody is interested to know the...
Takže ja by som zatiaľ preložil, že vlastne Michel povedal, že oni vlastne nám povie niečo o tom stretnutí, ktoré mali v Saint-Germain-au-Mont-d'Or.
Ktoré bude.
Už bolo aj, ale že to majú vlastne nejaké nové miesto, kde by sa pravidelne každý rok chceli stretávať. V predchádzajúcich rokoch už to bolo vlastne tradičné, sa stretávali v Messigny, kde to teda už prestalo byť k dispozícii, takže hľadali a našli toto miesto blízko Lyonu. A teraz sa ide zapnúť mapa časom, ale Michel bude rozprávať, so please.
Yes, these meetings were initiated by Jean Zeller in 80. The first meeting was in 80 in his town Mulhouse, in 1980 of course. And I'm afraid I participate to every meeting, so I am. And then for some years it was in a different town every year, and for the organization it was more comfortable to have a fixed location. It was Messigny since early 90s, I think.
Takže vlastne niekedy v roku 1980 mali prvé stretnutie a
to posledné, určite.
Mali to stretnutie na rôznych miestach každý rok. Michel sa obáva, že asi bol na všetkých, takže už teda chodí tam peknú riadku rokov, dosť dlho, cez 30 rokov.
So
trochu väčšiu.
Some train from Lyon, the great town.
Nemecko.
Okay. You don't see Lyon. You see where?
Marianka.
Okay.
Whatever you want. What should I? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's for you. It's for you.
Okay. Yes.
I know where it is.
Takže je to.
So you can also you have flight.
So the meeting compared to is only 3 days. It's always at the same, almost at it corresponds to the Christian feast Pentecost with the Monday. So we have the meeting starting on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and prize giving and departure on Monday.
Že to býva štandardne v tom istom ako keby termíne, ktorý súvisí so sviatkami. A ja neviem, jak sa prekladá do slovenský ten Pentecost, čo to je?
To je zoslanie Ducha Svätého.
Tak.
U nás to nie je nič sviatok, nie?
U nás to nie je sviatok,
ale... U teba nie, ty si ateista od narodenia.
Ale myslím, u nás na Slovensku
je to sviatok.
Ale je štátny sviatok, keď je voľno?
Štátny sviatok.
There are some activities, much less lectures than in Marianka. Much less, no lectures. And one of the rare to do some lecture was Philippe Robert.
Takže vlastne ten program je rozťahnutý vlastne na nejaké 3 dní, vlastne v piatok, prize giving je potom v pondelok. Sorry, prize giving is on Monday or?
Monday.
Prize giving je v pondelok. A vlastne ten program sa samozrejme trochu odlišuje od nášho.
But of course for the solving competition you know the result before in the day.
A že ten program vlastne je trochu ináč postavený, je tam oveľa menej lekcií ako prednášok u nás. Dokonca sa dá povedať, že často nebýva žiadna prednáška. Že jeden z mála, ktorý bol aktivný prvá Philippe Robert, ale samozrejme, keď ceny sa odovzdávajú v pondelok, tak napríklad výsledky rešeršky sú známe už skôr, keď niekto potrebuje odísť.
Okay. And so we are composing tournaments
tam kompozičné turnaje samozrejme.
And 2 solving competition.
A 2 riešiteľské súťaže, 2.
Regular, sometimes there are some extra solving competition, like there is a regular solving there is a retro solving competition.
Takže tam taká štandardná riešiteľská súťaž a retro.
Usually it was on Saturday.
Väčšinou v sobotu.
Saturday afternoon.
Po obede.
And called Championnat de France, French Championship of Retro Solving, and the French Championship of Solving, regular solving, was always until now on Sunday morning.
Aha, čiže retro riešenie sa vyskytuje v sobotu po obede zvyčajne a francúzsky šampionát v normálnom riešení, v tom štandardnom sa vyskytuje v nedeľu do obeda.
But the French Championship for regular solving was not according to the rules to get ranking. There were some fairing problems, and from next year we decided to make it to participate in the World Cup. So I see on the site by Julia for the official site, the date indicated is the 3rd of June.
Yes.
That should be a Saturday, so maybe they will change
The program.
the program, yes. I don't know.
Okay.
If somebody decided it will be changed between the retro and the...
Okay.
I don't know. I cannot say because as he told me it was a Saturday, but it was on the site. I don't know why. Maybe it will be precise in the announcement.
Ten presný program bude určený.
OK,
The program is not published yet.
Čiže program zatiaľ na budúci rok nie, ale teda doteraz to bývalo tak, že aj tej regulárnej riešiteľskej súťaže sa tam vyskytovali také kadejaké jemne exotické problémy, ktoré mám rád a ktoré oni sa teda rozhodli teraz trošku potlačiť, respektíve zlikvidovať, aby mohli sa zúčastniť v rámci toho svetového pohára v riešení. Už je teda prihlásená tá ich súťaž do tohto pohára, ale ešte nebolo určené, že kedy to presne bude, lebo sú tam také nejasnosti, čo sa týka programu.
So, what can I say more? There is no excursion because
if you can tell us something about food, wine,
food,
and the places or nature around. Is it in the city or is
no, it is this is a little town. Lyon is a big city, and this is quite isolated, almost like here. I should say it is quite quiet.
Otázka bola, že keby mohol niečo povedať do takého programu aj o jedle, pití, víne a že aké to je miesto, či to je v meste, že vlastne nie je to priamo v meste, práve to také izolované približne asi ako Mariánka, že teda je to pomerne tiché.
Of course, it can depend because it is a center with some different meetings. You have some different groups. Of course, if you have a meeting of karaoke, I don't know what else. It depends on the other groups, quietitude of the
vlastne sa to miesto šeruje s nejakými inými skupinami a teda je možné, že to v nejakých prípadoch, keď tam človek naďabí tvrdú skupinu, tak tam môže byť aj pomerne veľký
but most of the groups are some people, as it is in the natural area, yes, you see, it's quite some people going to work, you know, where the other groups, until now, was something like that. They are doing some, we call, French word is randonnée. You visit by walking.
We are walking.
Yeah.
Turistika.
Yeah. Most of the participants, of the other participants than problemists.
But že sú tam aj iní samozrejme účastníci, nielen skladatelia, čiže je to povedzme, ako to býva na kongresoch, že tam chodia aj rodinní príslušníci, a tí si chodia teda pozrieť to okolie a...
it is quite international.
To je okolie.
Mariánka les.
Exactly, Marianka.
Rýby tam robí.
Michel,
Yes.
you forgot to mention the wine.
The wine, yes, there is wine. Yes.
Okay.
Wine
And food, yes, there is food.
The food is rather good.
Good?
Almost the same as Messini.
Something like here in Marianka?
No. But it is not so cheap. It is more expensive. I don't know the price, but you should.
That was not the question.
Okay. Of course, it is for the price. It is more
More attractive.
To už ješ do Záhorskej Bystrice.
Everything is more expensive.
Peter, to už ješ do Záhorskej Bystrice.
Everything.
Jurek, hello.
No, tak sa teda Peter ešte
Maybe not
opakovane
Odessa, I
pýtal
don't know, but...
na víno a jedlo, tak Mišo povedal, áno, je tam víno, OK. A potom sa pýtal, že a čo jedlo? Tak jedlo je...
Yes, and vino at volonté. When the bottle is empty, you can ask for bottle.
Že sa dá doplniť aj fľaška vína, teda pohárina, to dodávky sú, ale že teda je to jedlo tam je také dobré celkom, skoro také, jak v Messini bolo. A
And
ešte
the food is also good, yes.
treba povedať, že to je aj trošku drahšie.
Traditional French food.
A je to drahšie teda ako Marianka. Vlastne sa dá povedať, že všetko je drahšie ako Marianka.
Ale aj lepšie ako Mariánka. Jedlo.
Tak to je otázka o tom, že čomu človek, čo si môže dovoliť. No. And what about women?
Not a lot. The people who are the other working people are rather elderly people. You know, the people who are going randonnée. Yes, the women. For the problemist.
Any.
There are not a lot of them. I don't remember.
Only just the
last year, there are nothing. One of them was Mrs. Chelan, who came because he has a friend. So he was never there, but he was visiting a friend. So So sometimes Laurent Huguet comes with his wife and children, but they are not with us.
So no free women, no cheap women, just women of problem.
Everything is more expensive.
Takže
Pardon.
chodí tam, teda ženy tam chodia s niektorými skladateľmi, teda potom to sú práve tie skupiny, čo chodia na tú turistiku namiesto šachu a teda niektorí tam ani vlastne prídu s ním, ale riešia si niečo úplne iné, mimo tých skupiniek. Nie sú tam žiadne ženy tak zadarmo, tak...
Which river is this one?
To vyzerá to jazero.
Nejaké jazero, nejaká voda.
Okay.
I don't know, you know, I go to Lyon and then to Saint-Germain-en-Mandor, like in Marianka, I don't know.
Like,
What I can tell, I go very frequent train from Lyon to Saint-Germain, and then you have to walk. It's maybe 2 kilometers from the station, so it's half an hour
walking?
Walking, yes, when you come by train. Yes, here we are.
Ako majú návštevnosť, ma zaujíma, tak každý rok, keď sa skádzajú, koľko sa ich tam chce ide.
To bolo zaujímavé.
And it is not walking on, it is climbing.
Tam je napísané.
This is the river.
This is the river, yes, I don't know. I know the station.
Here.
No, tak to prečítaj.
Seon.
Ako?
Son, yes.
Seon.
Son is
To si moc ďaleko zašiel.
Seon.
Aha, Seon.
Takže je tam teda aj rieka, ako vidíte.
This is the station.
Yeah.
There,
No, no,
Or
no,
being
within
you in.
no. You have a Garde Saint-Germain.
Aha, not me, you have.
You should have.
Garde
Well,
Saint-Germain.
yes. And
Okay.
then you have to.
Oh, this is working?
Yes, this is working.
Oh,
Okay. Also, you should have. When you say you come at such hour, maybe some people can pick you. Some people can come with the car and can go to the station.
a teraz
When-
ešte, okay, I will show the whole destination. 2 hours by plane and 12 hours by car.
Okay.
Že za 12 hodín píše
And by
a
train?
za 2 hodiny sa dá.
No ako 1300 km za 12 hodín to není bolo niečo.
That's all about transport.
And there was still a question, how many people are coming to
About 20. 28.
Málo. To málo.
Koľko máte v Čechách?
And some
Ale
people
to je Francia, nie?
are.
Protože koľko má Francia
Some people are
obyvateľov?
coming not all the 3 days, they are coming from 1 day or 2 days.
Okay.
There are some young people from Lyon who are come only for the solving competition and then
Sú takí, zase takí, čo chodia iba na chvíľku, teraz si zariešiť a potom sa odídu teraz z toho Lyonu a tak ďalej.
Niečo ako u nás Ivan Garaň.
Je tu ešte. A mládež majú?
Do you
Doma
have
dneska mládež.
No,
Zasa.
you don't have youth followers, there are some. Nejakí riešiteľov mladých majú.
use composer.
Taký rozdiel.
Okay.
Very similar
Yes, yes,
in
yes.
many aspects.
Yes, yes. Only in Serbia they have young composers and maybe Azerbaijan. Something,
OK. Ďalšie otázočky skúsime dať ďalšiemu cestu.
To modré to je hranica alebo rieka.
To je cesta.
To je cesta. To je cestná
Cesta,
vzdialenosť v
kadiaľ
Bratislave.
sa tam dá autom ísť.
OK.
To rovné, čo je to letecká
Thank you,
trasa.
Michel.
Merci. See you in Saint-Germain.